रिकॉर्ड। लोग ज्वाइन कर ही रहे।
गुड मॉर्निंग अमित भाई।
गुड मॉर्निंग स्वस्तिक भाई, गुड मॉर्निंग।
शेयर करना है?
हाँ हाँ, शेयर कर दीजिए। 1 मिनट रुकिए। यस सर, प्लीज शेयर। तो स्वस्तिक भाई एंड अभिलाषा मैम, आप लोग थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन किए। मैं यही बता रहा था कि आज का जो मनी नॉलेज है वो ये है कि मनी नीड अटेंशन। जिस तरीके से हम अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स का, अपने लव्ड वन के ऊपर ध्यान देते हैं, in the same way we need to take care, we give attention to money also, right? Let's move to नहीं, पहले तो affirmation, silence, correct? So I request everybody now be in comfortable position, ध्यान मुद्रा में आ जाएं, and yes, spine should be straight, shoulder up, chin up, neck straight, and just close your eyes. Focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Just focus on your Agya Kendra and be silent. Try to be with your mind. Wherever it takes, it's completely okay. It's taking you to your past, to your future. It's completely okay. You all are doing wonderful. Be with the mind. Don't try to hold it. Amazing. You all are doing wonderful. Very nice. I request everybody, please rub both your hands. Put it in your eyes, face, head, forehead, and entire body. And you can open your eyes with a gentle smile. Now we'll move to our next activity, that is affirmation. सुब्रमण्यम सर
आ गया ना?
नहीं आया।
नहीं आ गया।
सो कोई एक जन मेरे साथ करेंगे अफर्मेशन। ओके, कामना मैम।
स्क्रीन आ रहा है?
नहीं आ रहा।
नहीं है?
नहीं।
ओके।
हाँ, अभी आया।
2 बार शेयर किया था उसको।
अभी कीजिए, अभी आया था। इट्स टेकिंग टाइम सर।
या पता नहीं क्यों टेकिंग टाइम। अभी
यस आ गया। Okay. So rest of you, please be on mute. Kamna ma'am, please repeat with me. Attitude of wealth, winning the money game. I am an excellent money manager.
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 I always trade and invest to make profits.
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 I always save money and pay myself first.
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 I put my money and profit into my financial freedom fund every day, every month.
I put my money and profits into my financial freedom fund every day, every month.
I put my money and profits into my financial freedom fund every day, every month.
I put my money and profits into my financial freedom fund every day, every month.
My money works hard for me and makes me more money.
My money works hard for me and makes me more money.
My money works hard for me and makes me more money.
My money works hard for me and makes me more money.
My part-time business is managing and investing my money.
My part-time business is managing and investing my money.
My part-time business is managing and investing my money.
My part-time business is managing and investing my money.
I keep on creating many streams of passive income.
I keep on creating many streams of passive income.
I keep on creating many streams of passive income.
I keep on creating many streams of passive income.
I earn enough passive income to pay for my desired lifestyle.
I earn enough passive income to pay for my desired lifestyle.
I earn enough passive income to pay for my desired lifestyle.
I earn enough passive income to pay for my desired lifestyle.
I am financially free. I work because I choose to, not because I have to.
I am financially free. I work because I choose to, not because I have to.
Next. So next. Subramaniam sir. Yeah. Attitude of wealth creation, winning the wealth game. I create my life. I play the money game to win and make more money.
I create my life. I play the money game to win and make more money.
I create my life. I play the money game to win and make more money.
I create my life. I play the money game to win and make more money.
My intention is to create wealth in abundance.
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 I admire and model rich and successful people.
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 I get rich by doing what I love to do.
I get rich by doing what I love to do.
I get rich by doing what I love to do.
I get rich by doing what I love to do.
I believe money is important and it makes life more enjoyable.
I believe money is important and it makes the life more enjoyable.
I believe money is important and it makes life more enjoyable.
I believe money is important and it makes life more enjoyable.
I deserve to be rich because I add value to lives of other people.
I deserve to be rich because I add value to the lives of other people.
I deserve to be rich because I add value to lives of other people.
I deserve to be rich because I add value to the life of other people.
I am a generous giver and an excellent receiver.
I am 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 truly grateful for all the money I have now.
I am truly grateful for all the money I have now.
I am truly grateful for all the money I have now.
I am truly grateful for all the money I have now.
I welcome and lucrative opportunities always come my way.
I welcome and lucrative opportunities always come my way.
I welcome and lucrative opportunities always come my way.
I welcome and lucrative opportunities always come my way.
I take right decision to create sources of passive income.
I take right decisions to create sources of passive income.
I take right decision to create sources of passive income.
I take right decisions to create sources of passive income.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. And
Yes,
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 Yes. Yes. Yes.
fantastic, fantastic. So friends, let's move to our next activity, and that is visualization. So I request everybody sit in comfortable position. Your spine should be straight, shoulder up, chin up, neck straight. Just close your eyes and sit in Dhyan Mudra. Dhyan Mudra. Just close your eyes. Focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. For the last time, inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Fantastic. Friends, now visualize you being a employee or business owner. Just see yourself at your workplace, working fantastically, giving your best, and finally, you made it possible. You always wanted. The turnover, you always wanted to achieve. Finally, you achieved it. And the impact is on your revenue. And the ultimate impact is on your income. Income in terms of your incentive, or maybe in terms of your business income. It gets credited to your bank account. You got the message, and you are so happy to see that. This is the income you always wanted for. You are happy and you are sharing this with your loved one, with your family members, with your friends, and celebrating it. Maybe you are distributing sweets or partying with your colleagues or friends, because this is something, a great milestone for you. And now you are an outperformer. Being an outperformer, you are continuously doing good work, and it has become a habit now. Month on month, you are growing, and the impact is on your income. This is also growing, and that's impacted your lifestyle. It's going up, up, and up. Whatever you want in your life, it's there for you. Your dream house, dream car. You can see yourself top to bottom. You are at your best attire, best professional attire, with all the branded clothes, be it your shoes, be it your suits, be it your watches, sunglasses, everything. There is a glow in your face, and you are interacting with people with so much of energy, so much of confidence. If you have any kind of debt, you are there inside the bank and You have cleared all the debts, and your relationship manager congratulating you for clearing all the debts. This is also a great milestone, great achievement. Now, continuous outperformance has become a habit, and because of which you are being appreciated by everyone. If you are an employee, appreciated by your boss. If you are a business owner, in your business community, you have been called and asked to give lectures on your success. If you are an employee, you have been asked to deliver your success story with your colleagues. And now you have started conducting program for them, how to become successful in your business. And you are being paid for that. And this has become an additional source of income now. The kind of income you are getting, because of which you are already financially free. And that's giving you a great feeling. That's giving you a great feeling. You as an individual now taking your life to the next level, being a success coach, inspiring others, helping others in their businesses. Now you have started your YouTube channel as well. You have started putting inspiring videos, and every time each of your videos are going viral. And this YouTube channel has become another source of income for you. It's a great journey so far. Now, you have authored a book on your journey, and that also going for a best-selling category. And being an author, again, this has become another sources of income for you. Just see what a great life it is. A life full of achievement, full of success, full of inspiration. You have enough of money for yourself, for your family. You have started investing it in different avenues like stock market, mutual fund, gold, real estate. And it's very much like whatever you are touching, it's becoming gold. All your investments have started giving you fantastic returns. Now you are in a position to helping others. You have created your own foundation. You have started contributing in people's lives, maybe for kids, women, or old age people. Through your foundation, you have started helping them. You have associated with various NGOs which are really doing good. You are helping people through them. This is amazing. Be with these feelings for some time. You as an individual touched new heights in your life, in all the areas of your life. Fantastic. Be with these feelings. I request, come to the present now. Feel your touch wherever you are sitting, in the chair, floor, or maybe sofa. Shake yourself a little. Rub your both the hands and put it in your eyes. Fantastic. I request few of you can share your experience.
Very good.
Okay. Now let's go for our next activity. That is exercise. Next exercise. So everybody, खड़े हो जाइए. वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं, वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए. Right? Our affirmation will be I am financially free and अपने हैंड्स को ज्वाइन कीजिए एंड जो थम्स हैं दोनों थम्स वहां पे आपकी नजर होनी चाहिए और सिर्फ आईज का कांटेक्ट जो है उसके साथ मूव करेगा, आपका हेड मूव नहीं होना चाहिए. लेट्स बिगिन. आई एम फाइनेंशियली फ्री. 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 I'm financially free. 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 Fantastic. Fantastic. Our next activity, auditory. So ears को ऊपर से नीचे तक प्रेस करते हुए, है ना? I'm financially free. 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 Fantastic. Next is kinesthetic. So elbow से knee को touch करना है, right elbow से left knee को and left elbow से right. Let's start. I'm financially free. 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 Fantastic. Fantastic. Last, spiritual. अपने हाथ में दोनों हाथ रखिए and बोलिए I am financially free. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Thank you everyone. So this is called backs exercise. Few of new friends have joined. अभी इस पे ज्यादा दिमाग मत लगाइएगा आप लोग, जस्ट करिए. इसके बारे में कभी मौका लगेगा तो 1-to-1 मैं बता दूंगा इसका क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है एंड क्यों करते हैं. राइट. सो लेट्स मूव टू आवर नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी, दैट इज रीडिंग. सो ओवर टू प्रसन्ना जी. प्रसन्ना जी.
यस सर. यस सर. तो उनका पार्टनर का कल खत्म हुआ. नाउ देयर इज अनदर स्टोरी. नाउ लेट अस look at a different situation and study a man who had plenty of tangible evidence of riches but lost because he stopped 3 feet short of the goal he was seeking. 3 feet from goal. One of the most common causes of failure is the habit of quitting when one is overtaken by temporary defeat. Every person is guilty of this mistake at one time or another. An uncle of R.U. Darby was caught by the gold fever in the gold rush days and went west to dig and grow rich. He had never heard that more gold has been mined from the brains of men than has ever been taken from the earth. He staked a claim and went to work with pack and shovel. The going was hard, but his lust for gold was definite. अच्छा, इसमें एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात है. इसमें एक तो सेंटेंस है ना, he had never heard that more gold has been mined from the brains of men than has ever been taken from the earth. तो अभी लिटरली शायद क्रिप्टो करेंसी में वही हो रहा है.
Okay.
And after weeks of labor, he was rewarded by the discovery of the shining ore. He needed machinery to bring the ore to the surface. Quietly, he covered up the mine, retraced his footsteps to his home in Williamsburg, Maryland, told his relatives and a few neighbors of the strike. They got together money for the needed machinery, had it shipped. The uncle and Darby went back to work the mine. The first car of ore was mined and shipped to a smelter. The returns proved they had one of the richest mines in Colorado. A few more cars of that ore would clear the debts. Then would come the big killing in profits. Down went the drills, up went the hopes of Darby and uncle. Then something happened. The vein of gold ore disappeared. They had come to the end of the rainbow, and the pot of gold was no longer there. They drilled on, desperately trying to pick up the vein again, all to no avail. Finally, they decided to quit. They sold the machinery to a junk man for a few $100s and took the train back home. Some junk men are dumb, but not this one. He called it in a mining engineer to look at the mine and do a little calculating. The engineer advised that the project had failed because the owners were not familiar with fault lines. His calculations show that the vein would be found just 3 feet from where the Darby had stopped drilling. That is exactly where it was found. The junk man took millions of dollars in ore from the mine because he knew enough to seek expert counsel before giving up. Most of the money which went into the machinery was procured through the efforts of R.U. Darby, who was then a very young man. The money came from his relatives and neighbors because of their faith in him. He paid back every dollar of it, although he was years in doing so. Long afterward, Mr. Darby recouped his loss many times over when he made the discovery that desire can be transmuted into gold. The discovery came after he went into the business of selling life insurance. Remembering that he lost a huge fortune because he stopped 3 feet from gold. Darby profited by the experience in his chosen work by the simple method of saying to himself, I stopped 3 feet from gold, but I will never stop because men say no when I ask them to buy insurance. Darby is one of small group of fewer than 50 men who sell more than $1 million in life insurance annually. He owes his stickability to the lesson he learned from his quitability in the gold mining business. तो 3 फीट के अंदर जहां 3 फीट बाकी था गोल्ड मिलने के लिए और उन्होंने छोड़ दिया था, जबकि वो जंक मैन एक एक्सपर्ट का सहायता लिया और वो गोल्ड रिट्रीव किया. तो हम लोग लाइफ में बहुत सारी चीज कमाने के लिए एक्सपर्ट्स का कभी हेल्प लेते नहीं है, चाहे वो मनी मैनेजमेंट हो, चाहे किसी भी एरिया, हेल्थ मैनेजमेंट हो, चाहे किसी भी एरिया में. वी बिकम जैक ऑफ ऑल ट्रेड्स एंड मास्टर ऑफ नॉन. और यही चीज से डार्बी ने सीखा कि वो 3 फीट से बच गए थे, 3 फीट के मतलब बाकी था, वो स्टॉप हो गए थे. लेकिन अभी इंश्योरेंस में कभी स्टॉप नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि लोग इंश्योरेंस खरीदने के लिए मना करते हैं, बट ही विल नॉट स्टॉप. एंड ये फिलोसफी उनको बहुत रिच बनाया बाद में. So Darby is one of small group of fewer than 50 men who sell more than $1 million in life insurance annually. He owes his stickability to the lesson he learned from the quitability in the gold mining business. Before success comes in any man's life, he is sure to meet with much temporary defeat and perhaps some failure. When defeat overtakes a man, the easiest and most logical thing to do is to quit. That is exactly what the majority of men do. More than 500 of the most successful men this country has ever known, told the author that the greatest success comes just one step beyond the point at which defeat had overtaken them. Failure is a trickster with a keen sense of irony and cunning. It takes great delight in tripping one when success is almost within reach. फेल्योर का एक ठो, हाँ, फेल्योर का एक ठो मजेदार किस्सा ये है कि सक्सेस जिस पॉइंट में मिलता है, जस्ट उसका थोड़ा देर पहले डिफीट और डेस्परेशन, डिप्रेशन, हैरेसमेंट, ये सब उस हाईएस्ट रहता है सक्सेस से जस्ट पहले।
वेरी ट्रू।
और फेल्योर को मजा आता है वैसे आदमी को ट्रिप करने में जो उस पॉइंट में जाके हार जाते हैं।
क्या बात है, फैंटास्टिक फैंटास्टिक। थैंक यू सो मच प्रसन्न जी, बहुत सही बात कही आपने।
बहुत सही है।